Welcome to video number 9 of the Getting Started series for SMath Studio, in which we're going to present the pages and help menus. These are very short menus, and then how to use the SMath Studio in the cloud. To get started, we're going to begin by using this SMath Studio page, where we're going to increase a little bit here in size and show you the pages menu. The pages menu is not too complicated, and it has things that you already know. For example, new page will help you create a new document to work in SMath Studio. Close page will close that page, and the next one just shows the current page. So nothing complicated there. Summarizing, here's the information. The help menu. The help menu includes a reference book. The reference book is just this page where the author of the software has included some information regarding mathematics. It's a nice reference to have. For example, logarithm, you want to determine the definition of a logarithm. Go back, you can check the basic logarithm identities. And so you can explore that on your own. It has information regarding identities that involves a lot of properties of algebraic quantities and so on. It talks about the arithmetic roots, fractions, multiplication and factorization, and so on. I invite you to explore those ideas. They can be used in your own SMath Studio documents. We also have examples. Examples are a collection of examples that have been created by the author or contributed by others. And what you do is you just open the file and you get information on how to solve specific problems. They're not detailed. They're not documented in detail, but if you know the principles you're trying to find, you can use it to help you obtain solutions to your problems. This is an example called the Jacobian definition of the Jacobian matrix and the Jacobian. And so there are other examples available in there that could be useful for your applications. I'm going to close that down here, and then we go for check for updates. Updates available, no update found. It typically check it automatically, but it's good to check from now on. Donate. The author provides the software for free, but you could use some help for donation, and then you have several options for which you can donate to the author. SMath Studio in the cloud, we're going to see in a minute, and the last one is about SMath Studio. SMath Studio has been in development for a while, and it's still not version 1 because the author, Andrei Ivashov, has decided it's not quite ready there to be number 1. But you can go to the website and you can email the support. And the current version, sorry, I got something wrong in there. The current version is version 0.99 that was provided and the 1st of April of 2019. Now, using SMath Studio in the cloud, that's where you want to click this particular link. And you get 3 pages. Actually, if I expand this a little bit, I'm going to try to expand this here to the right. You get create, recent, and examples. Examples are the same examples you get in the software. If you click on one of them, say being FEA with interactive processor, it will open up a worksheet that looks like the ones you get in your computer. Very much, and it has some particular example presented in there. You're going to go back here. So that's examples. Then you have recent. This refers to things that I have used. I am registered in this in the website, so they will look for my most recent files that I have worked and list them in here. Here's an example of a worksheet. If I go here and remove the grid, it's a series of problems that I used for my fluid mechanics class. Okay, so let's go back and let's look at here. You could upload one of the files that you have in your memory in your computer, or you can start with a blank worksheet. The blank worksheet looks just like the one in the desktop in your computer, and it probably has most of the entries in here. Except that, for example, this doesn't have the plot ND, it has only plot 2D and 3D, etc. Anyway, you could play with it, and then you can save it. If you go here and say save, you can save it in your computer. And when you go to the main page, the author suggests somewhere that you register. I have no problem because I was registered and I have my account. But you may want to find a link where it says register. If I go back to my website, I'm sorry, to my file here, SMath Studio in the cloud, the things that I was mentioning are listed in here. Well, I'm worksheet recent examples. Use the link, please log in or register. You should find a link in the cloud when you visit that particular position. Here is the website. And so